Hello friends. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you the heartwarming story of Haru, a goat who found a loving home after being rescued. We will explore Haru's journey from the busy road to the caring arms of Dida, who became his new family. Discover the joys and challenges of Haru's life. Today we are going to read a book, Haru. Author is Manjari Chakravarti and illustrator is also Manjari Chakravarti. The book is published by Pratham Books. It is a level 3 book. Hi, I'm Haru. This is where I spend most mornings. My favorite breakfast is spicy chickpea curry, buttered toast with sugar on top, and sweet milky tea. On hot days, I can find shade. On rainy days, shelter. On cold nights, warmth. One day I got hurt on the busy road. Dida found me. She took me home. She took care of me. She fed me vegetables and fruits. My new family is nice. The boys are in trouble today, so Dida is making them knit scarves. My leg is fine now. Here I am helping with the laundry. It's not a bad life. Haru was a real goat. He was rescued by Granny Ituko in Shantiniketan in West Bengal during 1970s. He grew up as a member of her family along with many dogs, birds, cows, squirrels, pigeons and ducks and one snake. Goats are intelligent and funny and they come running when called, especially if you learn to bleat like them, which I did. They can be really mischievous. They chew on almost everything. They get into all sorts of trouble. This is how I imagine Haru's life was.